Okay, here goes. I'm out in my car and I'm going to start the replacement of the Apim, which is the Sync3. Oh gosh, I'm scared even saying it. Because it's bad. And instead of paying a body place, dealership, they're idiots. I'm gonna try and do it myself. I've been watching videos, so I can't record and watch a video at the same time, so off I go. Wish me luck. It's gonna be hot. I will check in from time to time, hopefully. Whew. It's 4 o'clock. The hardest part so far was unscrewing the 7mm nuts, bolts, whatever they are, with this thing. But there was 2 down at that bolts in the console casing. I could not get them to come loose, so I had to get out this wrench, whatever. It's not a wrench, it's whatever. So now I'm ready to pull it back so I can get to the good stuff. Just checking in. I don't know. That's what it looks like so far. This was the problem child. These down here. I hope you were able to see that. Bye. I'm back. I brought this thing out. Brand new batteries in it. It's already dead. It only ran for 20 minutes maybe. Well, let me just show you where I'm at. And this little hefty little piece is in my lap. And this is the new piece. Ta-da! Oh, you guys think girls can't do things? We can. Maybe I shouldn't have said that yet. Oh, that's my arm making that noise. Okay, so I'm going to continue on and hopefully it'll work. Be back later for an update. Okay, look what we have here. It's still, I haven't popped the dash all the way back in yet. And I, for some reason, can't get the parking brake to go down. Oh, my arm hurts so bad. But let's just see what we have. I am so hot, I've got the air on full blast. And the window is still down. But I don't care. So, I was at a Sync, this is a Sync3 system. I had the Sync3 system before. But I was at a version 1 and it would not update. And it's because the Apim was bad. APIM. And so they said if this is correct and if I installed it correctly, it should go to a 3.4. So let's just see. Settings. It already looks different. So either I got a bad version, like a really low downgrade, or it worked right. So let's go to About Sync. Oh, look at that. Sync3 software version 3.4. Doo-doo-doo. So I will be able to put in my, I still don't have GPS or navigation because this car did not come equipped with navigation. I'm not sure that I could get it, but I will be able to get it on my phone, and then my phone could hook up and show it on the screen. I think. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's what they say. And that's through Apple CarPlay. And I do have the USB hub to install for that, which will be super easy compared to all of this. So, I'm pretty proud of myself. I got it done. So now all I have to do is, let me see if I've got, I should still have my Sirius. I'm trying to figure out how I get there. It's not through radio. Oh, it's through audio. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how to get it back. But that's a good thing. Okay. So this is my last update, and I just installed Apple CarPlay, which was just installing or switching out the USB hub in there, and I now have my Google Maps, which is kind of a roundabout way of having navigation on screen. And you should have heard me squealing like a little 6-year-old. I mean, I am so happy now that I have this. And I have, I have iTunes if I want. I have just, I don't even know how to use this yet, but this is my home screen. It's pretty much my cell phone on this screen. I've got my messages, my phone, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. But that is just exactly what I wanted this for. And I was able to install it and then put the Apple CarPlay in. So, and it's 7:37, and I started this I think about 3:20. So that's not too bad, but I did take some breaks because it's hot. And I had to get back on YouTube and watch a little bit more of the video. So I did take some breaks. So it's done. Now I gotta clean all the boxes out of my car and put my baby away. So anybody can do this. A girl can do it even with a sore arm. Thanks for hanging with me.